Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over some of the floor remodeling and demo that we're having to do. Been struggling with this video, so I'm reintroducing the video, but I wanted to also show you it's our first snow day. I'm a native to Arizona, so this is the first time I've had snow on a property that I own and live at. Yes, I've been in the snow before, love to snow ski, but anyway, piecing this video together, we're going to show you some of the flooring in the living room that we're pulling up. We'll show you some pictures before and, getting it torn out, and then some of the struggles that we're having with getting it pried up and getting the nails out of the boards, because as I've mentioned before, I'm going to be reusing those in my garage / office shop. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. This is so amazing. Love the snow. I know I'll probably grow to not like the snow, but I was out yesterday with the chainsaw I cut down some of the trees that were dead just for practice, but cut up some of the trees that were down, and we've got that in the wood burning stove, so we can stop seeing our breath in the house while we're trying to work on the remodel. But anyway, all right, I'm going to get this video wrapped up so I can get it posted, and then we'll do another video with some of the chainsaw work, and my shop should be here soon too. So, all right, thanks everybody.
All right, so we're pulling out the wood flooring that's in here. We're going to put it in Ben's shop. This is really heavy oak, so we can actually use it for quite a few projects around the homestead, so we definitely want to save it. It's a lot of work, so hopefully it will be worth it. But essentially, you got to use a crowbar and a hammer, essentially, and a lot of it's just brute force and knowing where to basically leverage, where to hammer. Corners, they usually start here. Pull up, some are easier than others. This one's been a little stubborn. Trying to get the nails out. About where you can get the crowbar underneath the flooring to try to pull it up, because it's all nailed down. Like I said, some much easier than others. So step on that again. No choice for that. That's what we were feeling. That is dangerous.
Right here where the nail line is. I don't think it's dangerous. He just leaves for a weak spot in the floor right there.
Oh, we need to.
We couldn't.
We need to fix it.
Yeah, we couldn't. But as far as being dangerous, somebody falling through, it's not a problem.
But we need to fix it.
We do need to fix it.
And that's why we are doing what we're doing.
Yes.
Much rather have Van Halen on, but I've got him into country.
I'm tolerant.
I'm converting him. Whew. This we obviously need to fix. I don't know if that's water damage or termites or a combination of both. We're seeing termite damage, but thankfully the termite report we got before we bought the house came back clean.
We've got all the flooring up. And as we've stated, we're going to be using this in the floor in my office in the new shop. So now the trick is, in the recovery room, all those boards still have nails in them. And they're not a standard head nail. They are more of a horseshoe nail, and they don't want to come out. So we've tried hammering them back at the angle they were driven in, and then we have to grab them with the vice grips, hammer on the vice grips to pull them out. We found the easiest way to do this is to pull them back through the board itself. It's not damaging the board enough that it won't be usable. So I'll show you what we're doing here. You can see this is driven in at an angle. I'm just grabbing the
nail.
Well, grabbing the nail, but with the
Pliers.
Well, there are pliers. Taking the channel locks. Thank you. Channel locks. Grabbing with the channel locks, and I'm just rolling.
Now, normally I'm helping hold it, but
yeah. So if I put it under the lip of the workbench here, the workmate, like that, then I can still pry against it. So just grab on the side. Sometimes they break off, in which case that's okay. It's still usable, but hammering it down so it'll lay flat enough. So let's try the next one here. This one, we picked an interesting board to work on because there was a nail here and there's a nail here. Like my gloves? Time for new gloves.
Time for new gloves. Christmas is coming.
Yes. Costco 3-pack. These are great gloves. And pulls right on out. So that's what we're going to have to do with all of those so that we can reuse these. And you know, if we do destroy a few boards, that's okay. Some of them will have to be cut. This is a lot bigger room than what my office will be. There'll be extra, and we'll just keep going. Talking about the demo in the house. You've seen we've got the walls down, insulation out. I still have some wood to the flooring, the old flooring that's in the ceiling. I still want to pull some more of that out. There's some left, not much. We do have another bid coming, had a contractor come out. I think I'll be able to do a little more work with him directly so we can save some money on that. And yeah, we'll see what he comes back with, but that would be adding, we're gonna get 2 quotes, adding 12 feet to it and adding 16 feet to it. He's like, For the money difference, he would go at least 12. Don't do 10 as we had talked about. And so we would build that out, add, raise the ceiling the way we want, and fireplace. So we'll see what his bid comes back with. But as far as getting the demo done, in that living room there was the oak finished flooring that was actually exposed and being used. We got all that up, and I say we, mostly I mean Denise, because while I'm working on my day job, she's been in there taking row by row by row, and with a little help from YouTube, we learned a couple of tricks for getting some of those nails out. Because the subfloor is actually made out of ash, so those nails did not want to come out. A lot of them broke off. You'll see that. I'll get the video loaded up and show you. But after we got that dump truck out of here with all that insulation and particle board and all that, that was a huge help, and so much better in there. I know some of you have seen pictures on Instagram and on Facebook, but we're able to move around in there and make more plans. So, all right, well, stay tuned. I think this will probably be the wrap up for that video with the flooring. So please make sure you like us, thumbs up, share us, and as always, we appreciate you. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.